Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. First hike of the year, first recorded hike of the year. I've done a couple without recording just to get my feedback. It's been a while. It's been just over a year now. Anyway, we're about. The weather's nice, and I've got a new camera. I'm trying out the DJI Nano, so we'll see how this goes. Beautiful place to start a hike. But he's just chilling down by the river. Got the seagulls, geese, there's a crow there, the cows all over here. It's a funny old world. Actually pretty cool, this camera. It's magnetic, so you can obviously stick it on metal objects. One of the clips I did there, I just clipped it onto one of the turnstiles and well, walked away, as you saw. Also got this lanyard, comes with it, which it magnetises to. And they've got like a hat clip, so I can put it on my hat later. When I put that on, I think I might do that soon actually, because it's getting quite hot. And then you can get a puff of me walking along. It's pretty cool, yeah. It's pretty versatile. It's very small as well, and it's completely waterproof. So let's just hope I don't lose it, eh? See up there on the hill the the large white horse. It's been neglected a little bit by the look of things. That's the Littlington white horse. It's originally carved in 1838, believe it or not. It's been maintained since then. So a little under 200 years that's been maintained. It's crazy, isn't it? Apparently it was a couple of local farmers that did that. As a bit of a joke, they were bored and it's just carried on from there. time this way. I've done it twice the other way. Once with my friend, once with my brother and his daughter, my niece. It's a nice trail. Either way, really. Either you start up high and end up down here, or you start down here and end up high. There's a bus route at one end and a train route at the other, so it's very accessible. I'm recording this because I thought that was a flock of sheep, recently sheared sheep from a distance. And as I've got closer, and my eyes aren't what they used to be, but what's a group of, or a flock of goats called? A herd? I've never seen one before. Obviously I've seen goats, but not like a whole flock group. I'll have to look that up. Herd? I friggin' love goats as well. They're so funny. They literally eat anything. I'm wondering if they'll come over here. They're making their way. Just hang about here for a minute. I'll end up getting butted or something. Things I love about hiking. It's like, I always think that I'm the only person around. I'm the only person experiencing that moment in time. It's literally me and those goats, the surroundings. It feels kind of personal, special. off at Friston there. A place called the George Inn. It's made in 1392. 1392! It's like over 800 years old. That's crazy to me. That's like, I mean, I think it's older than America. It's like some countries were founded more recently than that pub was built. That's mental. Anyway, the cap is on. It's absolutely baking. And we're heading up onto the South Downs now. It's quite a slow, steady incline, but it's a long one. Once you get to the top, it's just all flat, thankfully. And then down at the other end and into Sea Haven and time to go home. Give that a quick Google, actually, before I make myself look like an idiot. Apparently John Cabot was the first European to reach the North Americas in 1497. So yes, 100 years after that pub was made. Can you believe that? Although the Vikings are alleged to have gone there long before everybody else, so I can't imagine that was on purpose. It must have been by accident, surely. That distance they've covered, that's mental. Very windy up here, so I hope you can hear me. There's nothing that beats this, you know. Just the isolation, walking along, nothing to think about except left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, and then just soaking in these views. So, just all around. Not a single soul in sight. It's just the way I like it. Don't you dare, I saw you. You cheeky.